Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley here, and it's almost Christmas, which means we've got some fun Christmassy crafts. So today I'm rocking my ugly sweater because it's almost Christmas, and we're going to be making an ugly sweater craft. So you're going to need paper and a little bit of sequins and some scissors and maybe some markers. And yeah, that's about it. But first, I've got a joke for you. Why was the snowman looking through all the carrots? Because he was picking his nose! All right, guys, let's get started. So first I'm going to use some paper, some scissors, a marker, and a stapler. Also, I'm going to use some pom-pom, sequins, glitter, and markers. The first thing I'm going to do is fold my paper in half lengthwise. Next, I'm going to fold it again, a small fold, and flip it over, fold it again. I'm going to do this 5 times. Once I've got all my folds, I can draw my design. I'm going to draw half of a sweater with my marker. So I've got my neck, my arms, and the bottom of my sweater. Now I'm going to take the scissors and trim out the shape. Now this one piece of paper will make 6 sweaters, 3 connected on the top and 3 connected on the bottom. So there's 3 and 3 more. Now to connect these two, I'm actually going to take my stapler, staple the sleeves, and then turn it over for my garland. Now I'm ready to decorate. So we used some glitter glue so that we could stick sequins and pom-poms onto our sweaters. You can also use markers to make designs and pictures, anything you want to put on your sweaters. Well, here's the end product. We had fun. See you next time.